The next bit that I just want to show you is how to use this data with a t-test. So at the moment we've got some data and we've got the means, and these two groups are different groups. So this were a group of Year 10 boys in 2011, and this is a group of Year 12 boys in 2012. So they are not the same students, they're quite different. So that is something to consider when we look at a t-test. So I'll just minimize that. And I've got up in on my website here a t-test tool, which allows me to test the data. And with the t-test, what we're trying to do is have a look at the two means and see whether they are significantly different. To do that, we need to have the means, and we need to have the standard deviation, which is the deviation of the raw data about the mean. And that tells the t-test tool enough information for it to work. So it's an unpaired t-test because the subjects, like I said, are not the same. So from that we can just enter with this tool the means straight into the tool. So we've got the data there across on the side. It's 2548. Standard deviation is 658, and the N number is the number of subjects, and we've got 22 in this case. On the other side, for group 2, and we can label that, so we can put this in here 2001. 2001, sorry. And over here we can put the course 2012. We enter in the data 2613, and the standard deviation we generated from there was 436, and our N number is 19. So the mechanism uses this information to help generate and see whether there is a significant difference between the two means. Simple as pushing the button and letting the data do its thing, and we have some statements which are given at the top there. So when the data is compared by conventional criteria, this difference is considered to be not significantly significant. So another way to look at it is that the data, when it's considered at a 95% confidence, so that's 2 standard deviations about the mean, plus or minus, it goes across 0. That indicates to me that the data is not significantly different. So when you've taken one mean away from the other and you've considered the standard deviations and you've taken it at a 95% level of confidence, it covers across 0. This means that that is not significantly different. You could take a screenshot of this page and you could enter that into your IA, and that would be a really good way of displaying the data that you've got.